Looking to upgrade your bathroom in Joliet, Illinois? Look no further. Our licensed, certified remodelers deliver quick, clean, and modern upgrades that last and will look great. Whether it's a new walk-in shower, vanity replacement, or tub conversion, we've got you covered in Joliet with local expertise and licensed quality. Add comfort with tiled and heated floors, smart lighting, ADA-friendly modifications, and sleek design touches, all crafted to fit your needs. Just call 877-693-5731. We handle everything from design and materials through to permits, giving you a worry-free remodel experience. Quality work, fast service, and satisfaction guaranteed. Call 877-693-5731 today and schedule your prompt consultation in Joliet or surrounding areas like Crest Hill and Plainfield.